Hello, today I want to show you a basic statement like if statement, case statement, use case, for loop and while loop in ST language, CodeSys. So let's begin. You can see I create if statement. This statement working like this: if var equals true, then var2 equals 1, else var2 equals 0. So if this equals 1, this equals 1. If this equals 0, this equals 0. So next one is case. This working like this: if these integer variables, like you see it's integer variables, so it's from 0 to like 127 or something like this, or 65,000. I don't remember this. So if this equals 2, this will happen. If var2 equals 2, then var1 equals 0. If var2 equals 3, var1 equals 1. So we just state, like you can see it's statements. If this equals this, this will happen. If this equals this, this will happen. I will show you later. So now we have a loop, for loop. So like it's for I counter, this is counter, it's showing how many times this loop will be iterate. So timer is counter, like loop counter equals 1 from 1 to 5 by 1. So like from 5 from 1 to 5 by 1. So increment 1 time for each loop iteration. So it starts from 1, next iteration will be 2, next one iteration will be 3, next one iteration will be 4, and last one will be 5, and loop is stopped. So okay, and inside this loop we have like multiply by 2, so it's var first equal 2, so it will be multiplied by 2, so now it's equal to, in next iteration 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, so var equals 4. Next iteration 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8, so var will be like 8. So next one we have another type of loops, while loop. So we have counter. If counter less or equal, then this sign is less or equal 10. So we have like 10 times. Wait a second to reset this counter. Counter equals 1. So you have like 10 times from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 iteration here. So every iteration this variable will be multiplied by 2, and counter will be like I counter 2 divided minus 1. So we need to like initialize this value, this counter, so value will be equals 11, so we will get like 1. Okay, so let's compile this and download this to our simulated virtual PLC. Okay. So okay, let's start this online. Drive radius. So like you can see, var equals true, so var1 should equals 1. We need to start this, sorry, my mistake. I was wondering what's happened. So I can see var this equals 1, this equals 1, so now I change this. I have exception, wait a second. Why? I just multiply it. It's not aha, because this wanna multiply by 0. I counter 2. Wait a second, I made this mistake somewhere. Ivar 3 equals 1. Yes, Ivar 3 equals 1. My counter is 11, so why I have error? Why this equals? Wait a second, I have some error. Should working okay, why? This is multiplied by 2. So I have this error. Maybe some, I don't know, driver error. Yes, again. Okay, so let's try add this, let's change it, let's see what's happened. It's not multiplying, but add by 1. See what happened in this loop. Oh my god. What happened? Okay, let's try now. We still got error. I know why. Because, oh my god, sorry. I just made huge mistake. I counter, let's, I know why. I forgot about this. Use the same counter. I stuck this. Sorry, my mistake. Super. Okay, now should working. So I can see we have, yes, it's working. So I can see we have 6 times, so it's like a counter. So it's like multiply 1 by 2, so we have 2. We have 2, 4, we have 8, we have 16, and we have 52. So this loop working, it's multiplying by iteration by iteration. And so this is working too, this while loop. From the counter equals 20, so it's like 10 times. For each iteration it will add it to Ivar 2, so it's like 10 times adding this to 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20, so it's 1 plus 2 equals 3, it's one iteration or something like this. So, and counter is like decrement by 1. So thank you for watching. This is basic statement in CodeSys.